It's getting dark, I'm almost done, I'm tired, but I just want to finish this. I want to show you guys what we did. So we changed the idle air control, which you can see right there. This little control right there controls, there's a tube that literally goes around the butterfly in a U. So the idle control is controlled by the computer and all the sensors. So when it's idling too low, the little valve in there opens and lets it take a little shortcut around the butterfly when the idle's too speed. Anyway, the thing was idling at 3 grand. We changed vacuum hoses. You can see where we spliced in vacuum hoses right there. There's a new one right there because it was leaking really badly. We disconnected brake boosters. We disconnected cruise control boosters. It was definitely not a vacuum leak. We could not get the idle down. Then I said to Neil, well, I was reading online and one guy said, well, yeah, it's a poor ground to the engine. And Mark and I went, lah, come on, it's just a simple wire. Neil said, no. And I said, get the booster cable, put it on the negative battery table, like this. And then put the other end on somewhere like that, which we did, just the two. Boom, the idle speed went down. So it's just a poor ground because this wire here, I know it's not in very good shape, but the one down there, the one that goes down there on the engine and the bodywork, that was the problem. It's a poor ground, which is leading to a missed communication between the throttle position sensor that you see. I'm going to try it. You can see it right there. It's got the orange and the black wire. So when we put the booster cables on, just the black on there and the black on there, giving a good ground from the battery to the engine, the idle speed seemed to be perfect. We took it for a drive and we could not make it go wrong. So now I just have to buy a new battery ground, go into the frame, which is down. You can just see it if you follow that wire. Where the hell, I can't see it on there. Whatever, I'm going to do it. I want to show. There you go. Now it's lit up like a bleeding Christmas tree. So you can see the wire down there where it's bolted on there to the frame there. And then the next wire carries on and then goes to the engine. So that's what it is.